Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we will review another website, that is fantasy.com. So if you are interested to know about the legitimacy of this website, please stay tuned with that. Watch the video till the end and you will get to know the all details regarding this fantasy.com. So let's check out what is this. Fantasy X is actually an online store that is offering you item related to your kitchen and household stuff. They have a superb collection for fashionable item which makes your life so awesome. For example, stainless steel corn thresher and one vegetable cutter are some of the hot selling item of the website. So if you want to make your life easy, you can consider this website. But before deciding anything for shopping from this store, let's check out its legitimacy. So its address is www.fantasy.com. The domain age is just 1 month 9 days. They have mentioned their email ID, that is matching domain name, which is a positive sign. Moreover, they have mentioned their contact details. They have mentioned their return policy. They are offering you free shipping for order of above $39. Moreover, they have mentioned in their return policy that you can return within 14 days of shopping, and cancellation policy said that cancellation can only be done within 24 hours of purchase. Moreover, this is only available in the USA. So let's check out the positive points of fantasy.com. No doubt it has a neat and clean user interface. Product details and product images are mentioned. Very reasonable price of the products. Moreover, orders can be cancelled or modified within 24 hours. You can enjoy free shipping above $39 orders. Moreover, it is SSL certified, secured with HTTPS protocol, and all kind of secure payments gateways are available. But there are some negative points of fantasy.com. So let's check. When we are checking is fantasy is legit, we have found the domain name is just 1 month old and 9 days, which is too young to be trusted. This holds up a strong point in making the decision that the domain is just registered. These are only for 1 year. Moreover, we are unable to find any social media presence that shows that owner is not interested in expanding the business, and the address they have mentioned does not exist. Moreover, the phone number that is mentioned on the website is also not valid. So the question we have in our mind, either this is a trustworthy store. So in our deep research on the website, we found that website is genuine and can be trusted, but later we move further and made our analysis strong. While checking is fantasy legit, we found that this website is just 1 month old, which is too young for any website to be trusted. Secondly, we saw that address mention is also fake. All products are just copied from other leading website. Even the description and images are copied from online store. These kinds of website are just made for doing online fraud. So we can say that this website is not meeting all vital criteria. Hence we conclude that fantasy.com is not a valid and legit website. So we recommend our viewers just to stay away from this website and buy your items that you need from some valid stores.